I can't seem to part with my 64 Dodge Dart. It's a work of art, never mind that it don't start. I bought it used back in 1989. That little Mopar monster is like an old friend of mine. I'm gonna see if my mechanic can bring it back to life. I'm as nervous as a surgeon's patient about to go under the knife. Well, I talked to my mechanic and he told me not to panic as he pulled my engine out with the wings. He's got to keep it overnight and I'm just a little frightened cause my car's going under the ring. Well, that old Dodge is sat in my garage. It's been years since the last time it ran, and it's had the same starter ever since Jimmy Carter was the president of this great land. It needs some work on the rings and a lot of other things too numerous to mention, like a voltage regulator and a new alternator. Oh, my car's going under the wrench. My car's going under the wrench. According to mechanical diagnosticians, my transmission's in critical condition. Don't need a mechanic, I need a magician. Have I ever considered demolition? According to mechanical diagnosticians, my transmission's in critical condition. Don't need a mechanic, I need a magician. Have I ever considered demolition? Well, I talked to my mechanic and he told me not to panic as he pulled my engine out with a winch. He's got to keep it overnight and I'm just a little frightened cause my car's going under the wrench. It needs a new oil pump, fuel pump, it's always something, man. I know my wallet's gonna feel the pinch. Well, I get the feel, I hope you pardon my French. Oh, my car's going under the wrench. My car's going under the wrench. Yeah, my car's going under the wrench. Nice grip. Nice grip. Hose clamp. Duct tape. Chewing gum. Sugar loop. Sugar loop.
Call the Pepper Brothers, talk to the class, diagnosis, battle plan. That's a little flag. You don't like free ride. Have your money back. Basic question, try to bring it home. Oh, burn, steam. Got no brakes and that front end.